Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take a study vlog. First, define your niche. What subjects or study methods will you focus on? Next, gather your gear. A smartphone with good audio can be enough, but consider a basic microphone and a tripod for better quality. Finally, plan your study sessions. Decide on the duration and what you'll cover to ensure a productive and engaging video. When filming, lighting is key. Position yourself near a window for natural light, or use a ring light for consistent illumination. Record your study sessions in manageable chunks, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes at a time, to keep your energy up and make editing easier. During editing, trim out dead air and any moments that don't add value, aiming for a smooth and engaging flow. To truly connect with your audience, be authentic. Share your real study process, including both challenges and successes. Respond to comments and questions, fostering a sense of community around your channel. Provide actionable study tips, resources, or even free templates that can genuinely help your viewers improve their own learning journey. This builds trust and encourages repeat engagement. Consistency is vital for growth. Aim for a regular upload schedule, whether it's once a week or every 2 weeks, to keep your audience engaged and anticipating new content. Pay close attention to your analytics and viewer comments to understand what resonates most. Continuously adapt and refine your approach based on this feedback. Remember to check the description for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Keep learning and growing your channel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.